When your Echo Show 5 becomes unresponsive or experiences Wi Fi connectivity issues, a factory reset can often resolve these problems. A factory reset erases all personal data, settings, and registered devices, returning your Echo Show 5 to its original factory state. This is a complete fresh start for your device. There are two methods to factory reset your Echo Show 5. The first method uses the touchscreen interface, which is the easiest when your screen is responsive. When you reach the reset screen, you'll see a confirmation dialog. Tap the reset button to confirm and begin the factory reset process. If your touchscreen is unresponsive, use the button method. Press and hold both the mute and volume down buttons simultaneously for about 15 seconds until the Amazon logo appears. After the reset completes, your Echo Show 5 will restart and display the setup screen. Follow the on-screen prompts to reconnect to Wi-Fi and register the device with your Amazon account. Wi-Fi connectivity issues are common with Echo Show devices. The first step is checking your device's proximity to your router. Electronic devices like microwaves, baby monitors, and other Wi-Fi devices can interfere with your connection, especially on the 2.4 GHz band. If proximity isn't the issue, try restarting your network equipment. Unplug your router and modem for at least 10 seconds, then plug them back in. Double-check your Wi-Fi password. Passwords are case-sensitive, so ensure you're entering uppercase and lowercase letters correctly. Use the Alexa app to forget and reconnect to your network. Go to your Echo Show settings, select the current network, and choose Forget Network, then reconnect. If your router broadcasts both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks, try switching between them. The 5 GHz band is faster but has shorter range, while 2.4 GHz has longer range but more interference. As a final step, you can remove saved Wi-Fi passwords from your Amazon account. Go to Amazon.com, navigate to Manage Your Content and Devices, and clear Saved Networks under the Preferences tab. These troubleshooting steps should resolve most Wi-Fi connectivity issues with your Echo Show 5. Work through them systematically for the best results.